What's good, YouTube? The Carboy's back here with another legendary video, man. Today I'm bringing y'all a good video today because we got some more progress on the 392 Pursuit build. But before we get into that, man, make sure y'all go ahead and hit the subscribe button, turn on your boy post notifications to be notified every time I upload a new video, because we trying to keep it consistent, man. I know I just waited 30 days to upload. I should have did that, man, but hey, we back uploading. So yeah, hit that subscribe button, turn on your boy post notifications to be notified. But yeah, like I just said, man, yeah, we got more progress on the 392 build. I wasn't able to record a lot how I wanted to because I was in the process of moving to a new spot. As you can tell behind me, we're no longer in an apartment. So yeah, man, so I was just in the process of moving to a new spot. Yeah, so now I'm before I flip this around, I'm gonna tell you just a little bit of what I got done to the Charger already now. So I basically got it on the ground and already did the first drive of it, honestly. So yeah, I'm gonna throw in the clip of me doing the first drive now. So here you go. And yeah, man, that was the first drive. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all a little bit more today because I got some stuff to do to it today. So yeah, I'm gonna get it pulled out the driveway. It's gonna be a cold start, you know what I'm saying? So let me go ahead and flip it around and show y'all how it look right now in the driveway. So let's go ahead and get to it, man. Let's go. All right, y'all, so here my baby at the new spot, man. In the driveway, sitting pretty. I told y'all I already did the first drive, and I also got some wheels on it, as you guys can see. But I'll do that once I get it from right here because it's not enough room for me to record right here. But when I go back around to the front, you guys will be able to see that yeah, I got some wheels for it, and this car is, like I told y'all in the beginning, it is on lowering springs. So yeah, let me go around to the front. Let me shoot around to the front real quick, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. So yeah, we're gonna get a little cold start action in because it's been sitting all night and haven't been started. So let's get this thing started, man. All right, so here the car is from the side view, front view, whatever you want. What side view? I'm gonna bag it up. I'm gonna do a little cold start. I'm gonna try to do it with the remote start, but I don't know if it's gonna work because we still got a check engine light. But we're gonna try it, man. So we're gonna go ahead and lock this thing on up and see if it'll start. Probably not. Nah, I don't think it will. Nah, I don't think it will. So we're gonna go ahead and just go ahead and try to start it, man. Get a little cold start in for y'all, man. You feel me? I don't know what's wrong with this key battery. I still gotta wire up the tail light, so don't mind that, man. I only got one wired up right now. As I was saying before my phone cut off and connected to the Bluetooth, it's lowered on H&R lowering springs. And yeah, man, I gotta pull it out because I'm about to go ahead and take it up to the gas station real quick because I gotta run and grab some. But yeah, y'all hear it. Motor rebuilt by me. Don't play with it, man. Yeah, let's go ahead and hop on into this thing, man. So yeah, man, right now we in this thing, man. I gotta goddamn see why my power steering don't goddamn start working, because it was working before I goddamn put it on the ground, but as soon as I put this bitch on the ground, it started working, man. So I don't know. See how hard I'm holding this bitch, bro? But yeah, man, I just got on over here to the hood store, man. Like I was saying, the thing with the power steering, I don't know what happened. As soon as I put it on the ground, the power steering got hard as hell. So I don't know. I'm gonna have to check that out once I get back to the crib, jack it on up, see what's going on with that. But yeah, as soon as I dropped the thing on the ground, the steering just got hard. And y'all can see it's on that, the 1.5 lowering springs, as you can see, man. That shit looking nasty, boy. But I just don't know why the power steering got back hard. On the front, I did have to put some spacers on there for the fronts to be able to fit, because it was hitting on the brake caliper right here. So I had to put a 1-inch spacer on the, I don't know if y'all can see that better. I had to put a 1-inch spacer just for right now, because I don't plan on keeping these wheels. I plan on putting some different wheels on there, but just for right now, so I could get it to the house, I had to put those spacers on the front. But everything's working, everything's driving pretty smooth. I just got to tighten up a few more things like that. But the only thing that's making me mad is that power steering, because I need that power steering because I make content. So that's the only thing that's kind of like messing everything up. But other than that, we in the smooth, man. We clear, no leaks, no none of that, man. Like, she running, man. But I'm about to go ahead and run into the store real quick. And I'm going to catch back up with y'all when I get back in the car, man. So yeah, man, we just got back to the crib, and yeah, man, like, as y'all can see from the clips I just put in, she's running, man. Like, there's not too much to go I can complain about it right now. The only time I tell, because I just been driving it for like a day so far. We're not even really driving it on the road for real. It's just around the neighborhood, just to goddamn test it out, put some little miles on it, you feel me? But other than that, man, I haven't really drove it too much. Still, I gotta go get it registered, plated and stuff like that. So that's really another reason I haven't drove it, because I still gotta go get it plated and stuff. But yeah, man, this is how the interior looking. Finally out the hive. The bee is finally out the hive, man. This is the interior. Boom, there it go right there. You feel me? Got some GT seats in right now. Got this side skirt in here because as I told y'all, we was moving, so I had to just put that in there. As you can see, I still got that down. I got that piece. I just have it down right now. And I got to get 2 side bolsters for the sides of the seat. So that's about it. But other than that, man, this shit is running, bro. Like, yeah, I did this for real, bro. Word. Proud of myself, bro. Hard work, a lot of labor. Man, I'm just proud of myself, man. God damn, bro. We didn't go that route, the bad route, you feel me? We did it all legit. So, yeah, man. Time to just shoot a lot of more good content for y'all. Just keep it jumping, keep it pumping, you feel me? Yeah, man, she nice. Even though she about 10 different colors right now, a wrap is on the way. Just so y'all know, wrap is on the way, man. So, yeah. Probably when my girl gets back home, I'm gonna do a little pull for y'all, a little flyby or something like that, so I won't have the camera in my hand, so y'all can get a little glimpse of the outside of it. And then yeah, we gonna go on from there, man. But yeah, stay tuned, just stay with me, wait till my girl gets here, and we gonna film some more. So let's get it, man. All right, y'all, so right now I'm gonna get an outside POV for y'all. Do a little pull down this road right here. And yeah, so y'all can see it from the outside here, from the outside, and that's probably gonna end it for this video. So yeah, go ahead and get in, do a little pull for y'all. So let's get it, man. So yeah, I just gave y'all a little POV drive, not POV, but outside POV drive. down that road right there. So I think that's gonna end it for today's video. Make sure y'all hit the subscribe button, turn on your boy post notifications to be notified every time I upload a new video, because content is on the way, man. We rolling with it. Scat on the road, gotta go put tag and title it, and yeah, man, we're gonna be pumping more content out, man. So y'all stay tuned. Other than that, man, catch y'all in the next one. My J out. Peace.